Hey, I'm Dave Koch. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a townhome in Provo, Utah, which is no great shakes, but it's the sort of thing that as real estate photographers we face every day. So let's take a look at it and see how I'm going to attack this shot. This is the second shot in the series. We did our first from the doorway and that worked really good. I want to do the second one looking in like this. And as you can see, we've got wonderful light coming in here. And I want to mimic that. I also want to show, this has all been staged, so I want to show the work that was done outside. And also we have a bathroom hiding back here, and we're going to have to light that. So I'm thinking 3 lights. I think to start off with, I'm probably going to put this one right over here and just kind of let that be a general. Actually, you know what? Let's put it over here and let that be a general fill. Let's take this one from our last shot, and this is going to go in the kitchen over there as a fill right up here. And then I'm going to put an 8200 or 8100 in there. It's a smaller room, so you need a lot less light. And 82 or 100, sorry, is the perfect size and will work and do that room just really nicely. So take this little bad boy and let's put it right up there. Generally light comes from high, so that's why I try and put my lights high. And if you know anything about me, you know I don't use light stands. I use found light stands, which is what all these are. And that'll get the job done a lot faster. Let's take a look at the shot. All right, there's our shot. And I think you can see why I like that light so much. So let's just, that's perfect. There's our, let's go ahead and focus right there. Do our 3 brackets. And turn the flash off, and 1, 2, 3. Those are good. Now let's do, so I'm trying to set the exposure based on that exterior, and I'm going to light to the exterior. So let's turn on our flash. Everything's working. Let's give it a shot, see what we get. And that's a pretty good even flat light. A may be just a little hot, so I'm going to take it way down. And let's do one more just to make sure. Okay, now that's our flat shot. Now I'm going to try and mimic the natural light. Oh, you know what? We're going to redo this. I forgot, this door is open, and I don't like that. So we're going to redo everything with that shut. So here we go. Kind of a good idea since we were not locked down. Let's go ahead and raise the exposure back up and knock out our shot. That should do it. Now let's bring it back down for that exterior exposure. And nail a flash. Let's take a look at that. That looks pretty good. Now let's move our flashes to where they mimic natural light. We're going to put one on top of this door, right up there. Sorry about that. We're going to move this to over here where it mimics this light. And we're going to use just as a mini fill right here, just to kind of fill in. And that should give us a really good natural looking light. And let's see what it looks like. There we go. See how those shadows mimic the real light and everything? We can hide these with the other shot. And this shot will fix that problem above the refrigerator. And this shot is done. So I hope that made sense. If not, drop me a comment. Let me know what I'm not explaining well. Otherwise, that's kind of how I light. And as you can see, it's done really fast. I just come in, I look at a room, I know exactly where those lights are going, and I just do it. So that's what I do. If you want to see this image edited, also leave a comment, let me know, and I'll show you how I edit it. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day. And what's that I always say? Next shoot, best shoot, shoot something better, better be a better shooter, better next time. Anyway, may your next shoot be your best shoot. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.